Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This heater lamp. Let me give the overall dimensions first. For these covers, it is about like a 9 and 1/4 inches tall. And the diameters, they are about like a 7.5 inches. As we can see, they come in with a lamp from the manufacturers and the connectors they're using called the BR20. So E26 will be connected with these sets, and you can twist in. And from the manufacturer stickers, we can see they're running the power between the 150 watts to the 250 watts and using the 220 powers. And also we can see they do have a switchers on top of the units. And when we're looking at the top of the units, this is shaft extend. So you can get a little bit different height adjusters. You can hear the sound inside to squeeze it. And looking at the behind, they do have the connections wire right here. And this one you can pull out too. So that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.